Well, greetings from Annapolis. Welcome to our lovely condo. I'd like to introduce you to the latest addition, and it is our wall-mounted Chesmont fireplace. It fits beautifully in our home. It was easy to hang on the wall, although it took us a while to find the studs in the construction of this place. It's cozy, it's warm, it fits beautifully in our home. We have been so happy with all the service from Modern Blaze. They answered all of our questions. The packaging was beautiful, the shipping was smooth, and I've already recommended Modern Blaze to other people, our friends and neighbors. My son, who has a construction company and renovates houses, this will be beautiful in the houses that he is doing. And once again, thank you, Modern Blaze. We love you guys.